Which is the largest continent? Africa, Asia, North America, Atlantica. Correct answer, Asia. What is the Earth's largest ocean? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? China, Japan, India, South Korea. Correct answer is Japan. What is the world's longest river? Correct answer is Nile River. Which continent is home to the Amazon rainforest? Africa, South America, North America, Asia. Correct answer is South America. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The correct answer is Mount Everest. Which country is known as for its canals? The correct answer is Netherlands. What is the capital of Australia? Correct answer is Canberra. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Correct answer is Sahara Desert. Which country is famous for the Taj Mahal? Correct answer is India.